Hello everyone, and today we're gonna be doing loops. As you might have seen in the title, I'm not sure. So loops are like while loops and for loops. For loops are like I don't know. For loops are the for blank in. So I'll just open PyCharm for simplicity. Let's close all of these. Okay. We'll make a new Python file called loops, and we'll close this VNV or VENV. Yeah. And so loops are these loops. Well, so I'm pretty sure you know what a loop is. A loop is like a loop, because it goes through and does it again. So if you can see my mouse, it does a loop like this. And sometimes if I search up in Chrome, if I go into Chrome and say figure 8, you can see it's a loop. And I don't know why I'm going into this, but let's keep going. Not news, videos, not videos, images. Yes, see, a figure 8 just goes on and on. It's a loop. It goes on and on and on, and you can only break out of it if you want to. So that's what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. So, let's get straight into it. So, loops are like, there's a while loop, and then there's a for loop. Let's get into while loops first because they're much easier. We'll make a variable called random num, because this is a random number, and we want it to be equal to let's say 1 for now. Okay, 1 second please, just 1. Okay, I'm back. And so I'm just gonna make a simple while loop. So this is like, you say that while this is not true. No, while this is true, you want to do this. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So while random num is less than 10, less than or equal to 10, we want to say random num plus 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 equal 1. I don't know if plus plus works in Python, but just let's do plus equal 1 for now. Then we want to say print random num. So you'll see what this does. So you'll see what this does is that it's pretty simple. All it does is it's saying that while this random number is less than while this random number is less than 10, increment it and print it. So we can just change it to a shift F10. Oops, wrong one. We're going into run loops. Okay. So let's just do this. Let's run it again. Yeah, okay, this is better. We'll make this 0. Okay, good. So it prints out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And so yeah, because this thing, what it's doing is it's saying while random num is less than 10, So while this number is less than 10, you want to print this random number while incrementing it. So all it's doing here is it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all it's doing here is it's saying, okay, if random number, so is random number less than 10? And then it goes over here and it says, yes, it is, because 0 is less than 10. And then it's saying that random num, so then it's saying, okay, then add this. So random num is equal to 1, and then print that number. And then it goes back and it says, oh, is this true? Yes, it is. So then it does this again until it's at 11. Now this thing is at 11, and you can see, and so you can see when I say 11, then if I run it, nothing comes up because it's saying, okay, is random number less than 10? No, it's not. So don't do this and do whatever's after that. And nothing's after it, so it just exits the code. So, we're just gonna make another variable called hi. We're just gonna say print. Oh yeah, and feel free to pause any of the at any time, because I might be going a little too fast or a little too slow. Then you can skip through the parts I'm going a little too slow, and you can go pause where I'm going a bit too fast. So feel free to do that anytime. Oh yeah, this and all the other Python tutorial videos will be in a playlist, so just check out the channel somewhere over I think it's like here at the end screen over here. Yeah, check out the channel, and I have all the Python playlists going from first print statements and all of that. So yeah, go check that out, because it's gonna be helpful. Like, if you don't know what variables are, then go check that one out. If you don't know what print statements are, go check that one out. So yeah, and if you just want to watch loops, then keep watching. Okay, so enough of advertising my channel. Let's run this code again, and I can show you it says hi. So it's saying random number. So that's just proof of this thing breaking out of the loop and writing whatever's after that. Okay, so this is all good, but what can it be used for? It doesn't have to be used for printing out numbers or incrementing. You can also say, like we did in Pygame, you can say, okay, so you can say that, okay, while random num plus equals 1, or you can make a variable called weather. Let's see, weather. And, well, let's make something more reasonable. Let's say code equals false, and we'll write some code after, but you'll see why. You'll see why in writing more code. I'll write more code. Then we're gonna say year 2020. And let's do a quick Google search. When was code invented? Oops, that's not good. No internet. Okay, there seems to be no internet, so I'm just gonna guess.
Sprinkles. That's just like.
Oh yeah, Blender. That's my blender.
All sorts. There's some that are shiny, some that are dull, but they all seem to have a very similar shape. It's just like mostly straight, but with like slight little like wiggleness to them. Some of them are shiny, some of them are dull. But anyways, that's the kind of...
Yeah, that's my blender tutorial. Go check them out if you want to learn Blender, I guess. Oh my god, I'm getting so off topic here. Anyway, let's go into Google and type in when was code invented. When was code invented? 1950s. Okay.
overall shape. So
Sprinkles.
you could start with a
whatever. Okay, so if 9if no, hold up. Let's just make the screen big. Okay. If year is greater than or no, while year is greater than or equal to 1950, code equals true, and then print you can code. And then we're gonna say print sorry, code is not invented. Let's run this. You can code. Oh my. It's not ending, is it? It's not ending. Okay. This is what I call an infinite loop, because it's just infinitely typing it's infinitely printing you can code, because there's no end to this. It's 2020 and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna type this 20 times. So yeah, we don't want that, so we'll stop this thing. Okay, can see that wrote quite awfully lot. If I just, you can see, yeah, that was quite a lot. And this is why we don't use this as an if statement. So you can just minimize that. So we're gonna make an actual if statement. And this is gonna be another one, because it's gonna say that, okay, it's never gonna end, because it's always gonna be true. And so it's never gonna end. So that is why we don't use while loops as if statements. Now I'm already running at 15 minutes, and I really need, and from a suggestion from one of my parents, I need to get this done by half an hour. So let's just get into for loops, and I don't know what we're gonna do after that. Okay, so for loops are for loops, and we'll say word, and we'll make it equal to hi sup, and I really like your t-shirt. Okay, you can see you is used quite a lot in this sentence, so we'll just say for you in word print h. And so in this, there's a problem. Can't assign to literal. Okay, then let's make a variable called u that equal to u, and then we'll just say u. Yes, u. Good. H. Wait, 1, 2. Oh. Wow, that was quite a lot of H's. It can be used for like error detection and stuff like that, but I don't really use it that much, like for loops. So it's kind of a pain for loops because it's like for in, but you know, for like we can remember for oops game, and it's like for event in pygame dot event dot, yeah, so it's going around and it's saying that okay, for each event in that function, check this, and it's saying if event dot type is equal to pygame dot quit, then you want to say run equals false, correct? That's basically all it is. It's nothing. This for loop, it's, yeah. So I guess this is it for this video. Loops aren't that hard. I might be streaming. I'm probably not going to, but I might be. So just stay tuned for that. Might be premiering the next video, but I don't really like premieres because like none of your viewers know it. Anyway, so thank you for watching. I am Ayusha, and I will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications if you like this video, and yeah, turn on bell notifications if you like this video. Please dislike this video if you didn't, and write in the comments what I need to improve. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.